So hello and welcome to the development updates for the Sincity Genocide Challenge map. So this map is like a free DLC, a spin-off, let's say, from the main map. And here you are tasked with killing 300 NPCs. So your goal here is to literally genocide everyone, like the title of the map says. So this map is a horror shooter. There's no story here. You're just meant to kill everything, like every single character from every mission. So it's best if you play that mission, that map, the original map first, and then this. So at least you're familiar with the characters or the map layout. So along with that, I set up a music system over here where you can choose between 0 and 10. So volume 0 shuts off all music, so you don't like, some people don't like it, so I respect that, so I made it so you wouldn't be able to hear anything. You just activate it. And if you want to like just be, you know, just a death machine, just get the volume 10, the loudest one. So which music did I use? I used a lot of like OSTs from Modern Warfare 2, the original one, the 2009, not the new one. I don't really like the new one. So I used like 5 soundtracks for each percentage. So there's a different amount of percentages where the music activates. There's 0, 25, 50, 75. That comes from the 300 NPCs that there is in the map. So you kill 25% of that number, and the music will change to 5 different soundtracks that the map will pick from. So in this case, I'm gonna set the volume to 2, so it won't be too loud. You go in this room, and you go through here, and you activate the map. So yeah. Also, I'm gonna add some like hints here. I'm gonna try to like properly explain the map before you start playing. I'll have guns, ammo, healing, all have their own sprites. They all have their own like color. So let's say this is a gun. All guns will have like, I don't know, a yellow sprite. So when you see a yellow from a mile away, you know it's a gun. Same goes from the, I don't know, let's say this is ammo. So you know from a mile away this is ammo. And like same goes for health and whatever. So you will know if you like even want to take it before like going and seeing what it is. So that's that. What else? Yeah. So a lot of interiors will have like a speedrunning aspect to it, like a way to finish it fast. So it's not mandatory for you to do that, but if you like want the highest ranking, which is the gold medal, you need to like not waste any time on any interior. You need to be as fast as possible. I'm gonna try to be like, it will be hard, but like not too punishable, I guess. We'll see though. It's really like, it's really too early for me to say anything, but there's like bronze, silver, and gold medal that you can get depending on how fast you are. And if you're like too slow, I mean it's not that important, but if you're too slow, you get like a third, like a medal. It's for the people like who want to like get the highest ranking, if they like want to. Of course, it's not mandatory, like I said. So anyways, you go through here, the music will start playing, but I don't know if you can hear it. You can barely hear it. So in this map, every single NPC is against you, or at least they know what your goal is. Not everyone will fight you though. Some of them will run away because they have no way to fight you. Some will try to. Some will be friendly to you, and some will like accept their fate and just let you kill them. So yeah, this is the apartment that you originally spawned in the main map. Open this door, and there is like a woman or a man saying knock knock motherfucker. So you get some guns from here that will be like spawn later when I get around to that. So you get guns and you are able to fight. So you can go through this door, and yeah, I have ignore players. So it's random whether or not this person will be a man or a woman, and that goes like with the interiors as well. Okay, this is kind of annoying. So a lot of the interiors, like I said, they will have like a randomizer to them, I guess. For now it's just 2 events, so the map will choose between 2 events. In one they're both different, so in one something is gonna happen, and in the second one it's not gonna happen, and it depends. Like, so in this one there's no random events here. He or she always spawns here, and this is meant to showcase how the map works. So you kill her, and you can go through here now. But the more important thing is it says building 21 has been cleansed. This is the building you're in, and it says the genocide has begun. On each percentage, when you hit it, the alarm plays and the music, like I said, changes. So from that point, I'm gonna continue downwards, and I'm gonna show you the randomizer. So the randomizer for this like engagement here, there's like the cops. The cops can spawn outside this building, or they can bust through this door and walk in. And this is the trigger right here, somewhere over here. You go through, and they are actually outside and waiting. So if I go outside, they say attention all call signs, target has left the building. That's this guy saying it. If I kill him, the text disappears, like he's the one talking, so you kill him and text is gone. So let's see what happens if I get the other event. There we go. So it says go, bust through the door, and they get in and try to kill you. So the way that this works, like example, like how do you know when you cleared a specific building? So each interior that has NPCs in it will be like marked with a sprite. So let's say this interior right here. I think I'm gonna put the red sprite. So when you see this red sprite on this light, let's say, you'll know that something is inside. And when you kill that something, the game will tell you, oh, you killed. Well, I mean, the building has been cleansed. So when you go outside, the light will be gone, and you will know that there is nobody left inside. Furthermore, if you go like to the map, this map, the layout that I actually edited as well because I didn't like the original how it looked. So this one I also have sprites. So for this building 20, so I'm right here, and this is the building 20. So if I kill the guy inside the building 20, it's gonna say, the text is gonna say the building has been cleansed. The sprite is gonna go off, and this sprite on this map will also go off. So we will know exactly which building is left to clear and which one is not. So it's basically like a breach and clear. Go in, clear it out, and that's it. I don't know how many interiors. Yeah, I don't know how many interiors there are. There's like I don't know, 30 interiors or something. Yeah, I don't know. But regardless, yeah, that's it for that. Let's see what else to talk about. Yeah, the cops like set roadblocks around this area. There's a cop here. There's a roadblock here. As you can see, there's these are from the overtime missions, the dealers and buyers. So I think they were selling like trading. I mean, some weeb shit. I don't know. And you give it the package to the local firearms, something like that. I don't remember. So you basically, like I said, you fight all of these guys that you encounter throughout everything, even the special forces, which are here inside. You open this gate, and you need to kill them as well. You cannot open this door and escape. I disable that because there's no reason to escape. You need to kill everyone. So if I kill this guy, it's gonna say gate 2 or G2 has been cleansed, and yeah, that's it for that part. And that's it for that part. And the G2 would be like clear. The sprite would be clear from the map, so you would know, like I said, that you completed that building. Okay, so what we have here also is what I call a Reaper. So these guys, they're like Minecraft Reapers. So if you come too close to them, they just explode. You're basically like a demon of some sorts. I think I'm gonna set their description as something like I don't know, something like born from your anger or some shit. So if I set ignore players off, I see this guy like walking towards me, like twitching and shit, and the text says Reaper has spotted you. And the sound that plays when they do spot you is the Juggernaut from Modern Warfare 2, like when the Juggernaut is close to you. Actually, let me Jesus Christ, that's loud. Fuck me. Okay, so let me try see if I can play the sound. Yeah, so that's the sound. That's that. There's like 10 Reapers on this map. Let's see, did I miss something? Oh yeah. So some of the people, like this guy used to be in overtime mission, like standing here, but I have to count for player stupidity. Actually, hold on, shut the fuck up. Okay, so I have to count for player stupidity, and I mean in a way, if you, I mean you're not stupid, I guess, but if you like you don't have any bullets, I have set it so you can climb here and can just melee the guy. If you don't have any bullets, like that's the fail safe, so you don't get like soft locked. That's why I put these boxes. I had to put them in. So let's see what else. Did I miss anything? Oh yeah, so if you got every achievement in the original map, you would meet the auditor, and you like you need to decide whether or not you wanna like accept or deny the contract. So it would make sense if I put the auditor as the final boss here, as the final man you have to kill. But I feel like having this Hank, by the way. So if I think it would be way better if I have Hank as the final boss, like the auditor's right hand man. He does everything behind the scenes, like kills everyone. So having the guy who's specialized for killing feels like the best final boss, at least to me, like the best candidate to be a final boss. So that's that. Yeah, some of them already like immediately spawn in and sit on like this guy sits on this chair. Some of them like lay on the ground. Like these people, like they accepted their fate, so you just kill them and that's it. They don't care. So yeah, also like I edited this map to shit. Like, I've done a lot of editing, so it looks a bit different than the original. All the interiors like were moved in that process. Let me see. Yeah, it's like all the interiors are here. It's all tidy and stuff. It is different from the original, yeah. In the original, you have to like go through the metro to win. In this one, it will also be like that. So, you know, I've added some new things. Like, I just realized at one point it was just a black wall here. So like, so what the fuck is this? So I added some, like, it's like a train station. This door will be closed. So when you kill everyone, the text will say you can escape to the metro, and when you eventually do, the door will be open. Like, when you spawn, they will be closed. So only when you kill everyone will you be able to go through. Like, I mean, you won't be able to go through. Just the game will end, and you will see whatever medal you got from your troubles. And I think that's it. I don't know. I think that's it. I couldn't fix this. Them like one guy stops for whatever reason, and they just keep running into each other, and they create a stupid like little group here. I mean, it's not that important though. Well, yeah, that's it though. That's it. Yeah.